so we have the lovely James here. James, what are you actually doing today?
Dark green, light green. We're going for like a little bit of an ethereal kind of look. A bit of just a selection of different green tones through the front and some just through the ends.
What actual colours are you using today?
I have got a mixture of denim blue and bright daffodil. I've then got here pastelsized with the conditioner, and I've just diluted that, and then I've diluted it again into a third colour. So I've just used them two colours and I've just kind of diluted it to create a palette of around about 3 or 4 colours. I choose Directions because of the consistency and the broad amount of colours that they provide.